I'm drinking wine because I just thought this would be better with wine. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing I wanted to do a Q&A, but I sent out a question. I sent out something on Instagram and Snapchat, and I just said, hey, I'm going to do a Q&A. Can you send me some questions? And you know what I realized by doing that?
I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. I've been down so long it look like up to me.
I do have my wine here. And it's gonna be my little friend tonight. So I did get a few questions, but not very many. So I got like 3 or 4 from people, and then the rest of these are actually from my sister because she's the real one. I wrote them down on a board here because they're all on my phone, and I'm using my phone to film. So let's just get right into it. I'll put it right here in front of me. First question is from my cousin Lessa. Shout out to Lessa for sending me a question. She said, do you think it's possible to be in love with 2 people at the same time? That's a good question. I think the answer to that, my personal answer to that, is no. I've cared for 2 people at the same time, but if you love one person and you're, I don't know, say you have feelings for an ex, or say you meet somebody new, if you really love the first person and then you meet somebody else and you're like, oh my gosh, wait, I love both of these people, you don't. Well, this is my personal opinion. You know, you can think different, but for me, if you love that first person, you probably won't even develop feelings for somebody else because your love is for that real person that you love. So no, I don't believe that you can be in love with 2 people. I think you can easily be in lust with 2 people, or you can easily like 2 people, but love, no, I don't think so. But hey, we've all been there. I'm not judging, I'm just saying that's my opinion. I've been there before. Next question is from my girl Camille. Hey girl. She said, well, first she sent me, what's your vagina maintenance routine? And I was like, she said, what's your hair maintenance routine? I'm not going to go over my vajayjay maintenance routine because
There is none.
So my hair maintenance, I really feel like for your hair it's different. It should vary by the type of hair that you have, because for me, I do very little for my hair, but I've always had pretty good hair. Not really much problems with it. Even when it's naturally out, it's still pretty good. It's like a natural wave, and it still like has like a beachy wave. The most I do to my hair is wash it and curl it. So I don't do much for my hair at all. But if you want, like if you're looking for that, I would say like maybe a hair mask, or like there's one thing I do that I think helps is I don't blow dry my hair with the blow dryer, unless it's like I shower in the morning and then I have to do it. But like usually I shower. So yeah. This next one is from Marisha. She said, what is your full name? And I swear you know my full name. I swear you just sent me that so I could put my full name on blast. Because when I put up my question, I said, send me questions so I can answer them. And everything, nothing's off limits. I'll answer anything. And she said, what's your full name? I'm gonna say my full name. I'm not ashamed of it. My full name is Casey Dorothy Sanchez, and my middle name is Dorothy, and it is after my grandma. Rest in peace. I'm glad to have her middle name. I love her. She was a great woman, and you know, I did get made fun of for having that as a middle name. My brothers used to call me Casey Dorky Sanchez. And I mean, it sounds so stupid. I would get like so butthurt, but now that my grandma has passed on, I just feel like it's an honor to have her name, so I don't care. The rest of these questions are from my sister, so cheers. Would you rather be crazy rich or deeply in love? I would rather be deeply in love just because to me love is everything. I mean, I'm broke as fuck now, and I know that I have a person who loves me and I love them, and it means everything to me. Like, I don't even care about having a house or having the nicest car or anything as long as I'm loved. Like, I always wanted love my whole life, and yeah, I would rather be deeply in love than be crazy rich. So, if you had to get a tattoo right now, what would it be? If I had to get a tattoo right now, it would probably be something that has to do with like my culture. Like, I've always wanted to get like a tattoo that represents both of my ethnic backgrounds, like a Polynesian tattoo, like a Polynesian tribal tattoo, but like mix some Mexican stuff in there, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's something I would get. Like, if I could get one right now, that's what I would get. If I could know, oh yeah, if you could know how and when you would die, would you want to know? No. No, like, I think if I were to know that, I think that that'd be really depressing. I think that if you were to know how and when you were gonna die, like, I think that's all you would be thinking about. You'd be like, I'm gonna die on this day. I mean, sometimes I think about it. I'm like, what if today's like I wake up today and today's my last day? It's just being dramatic though. But I don't want to know. No. And then she said, can blind people see their dreams? I think she sent that because there's this girl that I watched on YouTube. What's her name? I feel bad that I don't know her name. But if you watch a lot of YouTube and you know who Shane Dawson is, Molly Burke. Yeah, that's her name. So I recently like got into her videos because she's like so amazing. She's blind. But she wasn't born blind. She like was blind at the age of, she's fully blind at the age of 14. And she's, I think, like 20 something now. And she's just like straight up blind, and she has a YouTube channel. Like, she does all of this blind. Like, can you even imagine? I can't. I know her mom and stuff like helps her like edit and stuff, I'm sure, but she's just like so amazing. She just like will try to do everything that everyone else can, and she has such a positive attitude about it. She's never like, oh my gosh, I'm blind. Like, she's a really cool chick. But back to the question, can blind people see their dreams? And she was saying that you can, when blind people dream, they don't see. Like, we see people, we see images, but since they don't see things, their dreams are like senses. So like smelling, touching, like of the other senses besides seeing. So that's pretty trippy. And I know in the last video I watched, it was with her and Shane Dawson, and somebody asked her, like, so how do you know if you're having a bad dream? She's just like, well, it's like bad smells and touches and stuff. So, I mean, touches? Touches? Is that a word? I don't know. I mean, duh, that's a word. This wine is getting to me. When and where was your first kiss? My first kiss was in 7th grade. It wasn't my first boyfriend. I had boyfriends and stuff, you know, and I had just gotten this boyfriend, and he was like, oh, we should kiss. Like, he was trying to do more than kiss. But anyways, my first kiss was okay because he had already like been kissing, and he had big old lips, and he had braces, and it was just really like, I don't even think it was a great experience. I think it was actually very horrible. Like, I was like, this is what kissing is? Meh. But I mean, I went on to like later like kiss somebody that actually wanted to kiss. So yeah. Oh, and where was it at? I'm pretty sure it was at my school, my junior high. I went to Westlake. And I'm pretty sure I just like kissed him there in the hall like after school. So there's to that. There goes my video. I don't even know why I made this today. I just wanted to have a reason to drink wine, I guess. I have some other videos coming. I have a vlog coming up, but it has to be like after this week. So it's the weekend, and I usually always make a video on the weekend if I'm not like sick or something. So that's what I'm doing, and nobody gives a shit right now. So I'm gonna go make a banana split and go to bed. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.